Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who like to garden want to make their garden more flourished and beautiful. And imagine if it's free of cost, homemade and organic. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how to make a product out of a waste material. And it will also help in flourishing your garden. So today I'll be telling you how to make a product out of leftover orange peels. So the next time you enjoy this citrusy favorite packed full of vitamin C, be sure to keep the skin because it turns out that the peel is highly beneficial for your garden's needs too. Today I'll be telling 3 ways on how you can use these orange peels in your garden. First is to only dry the orange peel and crush it. Then your first product will be ready. Oranges are well known for being high in vitamin C, which is great for boosting our immune systems, but as it turns out, these essential nutrients can also be highly rewarding for our gardens. As you know, orange is a citrus fruit, which means orange peels turn the soil acidic. That's why it is not suitable for all plants. My mom is only giving the orange peels to onion plants, garlic plants, tomato plants and pea plants. Now let me tell you the second way. We have earlier uploaded many videos on this. Yes, you guessed it right. It is no other than Bioenzyme. It is a magical liquid. It acts as an insecticide, fungicide, plant booster as well as a fertilizer. If you want to know in detail of this bioenzyme, make sure to check our playlist. There are many videos on this. For this, you only need 300 grams of orange peels, 1 liter water, 100 grams of jaggery. And if you wish, you can add bioenzyme. Adding bioenzyme makes the process quicker to 40 days. Otherwise, it will take you 90 days to make this. And you do not even need that much of a bioenzyme. Only 5 to 10 bioenzyme will work. And to make this amount of bioenzyme, you need a 2-liter bottle. Also make sure to open the bottle cap time to time. If you want to know more about this, make sure to check our playlist. Now let me tell you the third way. Simply let the orange peels soak in water for 5 to 7 days. Then dilute it 3 to 4 times with water and your product is ready. My mom is only giving it to the rose plant. Otherwise, you can also give it to pea plants, onion plants, garlic plants, tomato plants, etc. And if you dilute it even more, you can give it to all of your plants. So if you have extra orange peels, don't just throw them and make sure to use it in your garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.